In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change the language in Chrome on Windows. 1. Open Google Chrome on your Windows computer. Click on the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings, and this will open the Settings tab in Chrome. Within the Settings tab, locate and click on the Language option in the left sidebar, and this will display language-related settings. If the language you want to switch isn't listed under Preferred Languages, you'll need to add it. Click on Add Languages to open a list of available languages. Check the box beside the language you want to add, then click on Add to include it to your language preferences. Once you've added the desired language, you'll see a list under Preferred Languages. Click on the three vertical dots located next to language you want to set for Chrome's user interface. And next, check the box beside Display Google Chrome in this language. After selecting the language and enabling it for Chrome's UI, you can close the Settings tab, reopen Chrome to the changes to take effect. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.